You think you're innocent until proven guilty. Cute. The system says otherwise. We are living inside a negotiation desk wearing a judge's wig. Here's the math they do not want you to memorize. 95% of cases never see a jury. You do not get a trial. You get a contract with better formatting. Jury trials are narrative warfare dressed in tweed. Streaming services sell you the drama. Reality gives you a waiting room. Public defender working 300 cases and a clock that hates you. Prosecutors overcharge. Defense is underfunded. Time is the weapon. They offer you a discount on your freedom if you skip the part where you actually get to speak. Constitutional loopholes are not bugs, they are features. The Speedy Trial Clause was designed to protect defendants. Today it protects the pipeline. You plead before you can even read the charges. Let us address the left. Just fire the prosecutor. Delusional coping. You cannot wish away leverage with a hashtag. The machine does not care about your moral outrage. It cares about throughput. Now the right. Tough on crime. Forced projection papering over a broken pipeline. You want locks but refuse to fund the hinges. You get what you fund, not what you tweet. Demographic velocity meets bureaucratic inertia. The system routes you before you even enter the room. Your race, your zip code, your bank account. It is all preloaded into the algorithm. You are not a defendant. You are a throughput metric, a line item. A pressure valve for a system that refuses to admit it is leaking. Laugh if you want. The ledger does not care. Keep watching, keep questioning. Comment your tribe below. I will roast your coping mechanisms in the replies. This is not a debate. It is a diagnostic. The gavel does not decide. The spreadsheet does. You walk in. You read the offer. You sign. The myth dies. The pipeline breathes. Plea deals are the law. Deal with it, or keep pretending the courtroom is a stage. The curtain is down. The machine is running.